Right guys, welcome back. We have covered this topic of similarity already. However, we're going to make sure that we've got it 100% correct. Okay, so here you'll see two separate triangles. I'll call them triangle A and triangle B. Okay, these two shapes are mathematically similar. It says that, and in your GCSE it will tell you as well that the shapes are mathematically similar. And what we need to do is we need to find the value of x, which is here, and we need to find the value of y, which is there. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to find the scale factor. Okay, now on these shapes there are two sides which both have a measurement and we can use them. Okay, so the side we're looking at is this one here and this one here. Okay, they're the two sides that we're going to look at. Okay, so we need to find what we multiply 6 by to get to 15. Okay, the first step we need to do is we need to do the larger shape, or the larger side, divided by the shorter side, okay, which is 6 centimeters. So we're going to do 15 centimeters divided by 6 centimeters, and that equals 2.5. So what that means is that 2.5, each side on this shape is 2.5 times bigger than the equivalent side on that shape. Okay, so this shape is 2.5 times bigger than this one. So we need to find the value of x. So what we're going to do is, to get from the bigger shape to the smaller shape, we need to divide. If you want to look at it, we're going to look at it like this. So x times by 2.5. Okay, so x is the side there. 2.5 is the scale factor. And we know that that equals 12.5 centimeters. Okay, what we're going to do, just like solving equations, we're going to move this times by 2.5 and we're going to put it on that side. If it's a times on one side, it does the opposite on the other side, so it's a divide on the other side. So we have x equals 12.5 divided by 2.5. Okay, and our answer here is 4 centimeters. Okay. Second part of this question then. Find the value of y. Y is there. Okay, so the equivalent side on the smaller shape is 10 centimeters. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 10 times by 2.5, which is 25 centimeters. If you're going from a smaller shape to a bigger shape, okay, you are timesing by the scale factor. And if you're going from the bigger shape to the smaller shape, you are dividing by the scale factor. Okay, key things to remember there. Okay, and realistically, that's a good few marks in your GCSE. Okay, so what do we need to remember? First of all, you find the scale factor. Look at the shape. You will see that there are two sides, the two equivalent sides that are both given to you. You do the longer side divided by the shorter side to give you a scale factor. Scale factor is how many times bigger one shape is than the other. When you're finding a length on the smaller triangle, you need to divide the equivalent side on the bigger triangle. So here we were looking for x. We divide, this is the equivalent side here, so we're doing 12.5 divided by 2.5, which is the scale factor, and that gives us, doesn't give you 4, sorry, it gives you 5. Okay, so that's 5 centimeters long there. If we're finding the shape on the bigger side, all you do is get the equivalent side and multiply it by the scale factor. So realistically, this part here, okay, the scale factor, which would give you a mark in your GCSE, is the key bit to unlocking this whole section. Okay, if you get stuck, let me know. Otherwise, have a go at the questions and let me have a look at them. Okay, Have a good day.